this video we'll explore whether Google Colab Pro and Pro Plus are worth the investment. Let's take a look at these paid upgrades compared to the free version of Colab. Previously, users received free GPU access, but now you need to pay for compute units. For instance, purchasing 100 or 500 compute units matches the pricing of Colab Pro and Pro Plus respectively. The cost is roughly 10 cents per compute unit, which means 100 units costs $10. These credits are valid for 90 days. Colab Pro is priced at $10 per month, while Pro Plus is $50 per month. With these plans, you can receive additional resources and benefits compared to the free version. So what are the key features of Colab Pro and Pro Plus? You will get access to better GPUs, which are faster compared to the free version. You will also access premium GPUs. Both plans provide access to a terminal within Colab, allowing you to run commands and monitor system performance. This feature is useful for debugging and managing resources. Pro Plus will allow you continuous execution of notebooks. Even if you close the browser, your sessions will remain active, making it easier to resume work. The free version of Colab still provides access to GPUs, but the performance and availability are lower compared to Pro and Pro Plus. If you need reliable GPU access and the terminal feature, Pro might be worth the $10 per month, especially for those who do expensive debugging. For heavy users who require the best performance and continuous execution, Pro Plus is a good choice. The high cost might not be justified if you don't use it frequently. If Colab Pro and Pro Plus seem too expensive for your needs, exploring free options or other paid services might be beneficial. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.